Alright, this is the final step to the entry-level turbo kit. We made a few runs there. See the date matches. We'll fire it up and give you one more live run here. Watch her start. Part of what this kit is intended for is to have immediate throttle response. Let's go ahead and give her a run. Pretty hard to get these tires to stick on the roller with as much torque as it makes. Sometimes the alignment's not great. I'll give you a little show around out there. So you can see it chatters them up pretty good. But there it is. The turbo kit will have the water lines attached to the turbo. Make that run a little cooler, but for the test we didn't quite need it. Change the pipe to the RPM, pretty much straight through pipe. It's missing the tip because we cut that off for another project, but that's the idea how it works and comes out and flows. As you can see, the bed still fits in there. The wire in the middle is just for the RPM pin to the dyno. Then we got the O2 sensor going in the HP tuner so we can tune and make stuff on the fly wherever you're at, wherever the problem might be. We have the catch can clamped to the side there. Nice billet mount. Make that bad boy here, right in the USA. So there it is. Thanks for watching.